doing really well for the first time off the farm. Yep. Don't pet him around the head. We don't like that, but they're very inquisitive animals. Now, llamas we keep as guard animals with our smaller livestock because they have a guard instinct. They're very territorial, and they will patrol the perimeter of the property and keep the stray cat.
20 years, 25 years.
Llama.
Yeah, no, it really is incredibly soft. You'd think it was artificial. Not very big around when you get all that fluff off.
It's gonna be at least like that.
Okay.
How does it feel?
He's really soft. Wow.
Gavin, come on in here.
No, don't pet him on the head. Don't pet him on the head. On the neck. There you go. They don't like anybody messing with their dude.